I know a lot of us creatives, designers, videographers out there who need Adobe Creative Cloud, but we don't work for a company who provides it for us for free, so we have to spend our money on it ourselves. And for a lot of us, we can't afford to not have it, but also a lot of us can't afford to have it. For me, the pricing has jumped around a lot over the years, but recently I think I was paying like $60 a month for this, and that's just way too much.
But hey, I have some good news.
Now listen, a lot of you may already know this. Some people might hate me for putting it out there. Hopefully this video doesn't get a lot of views so that no one finds out about this, because this really is a hack, and I've been doing it for a long time. I think recently I was paying about $60 a month for my Adobe subscription. But I have found if you go in and try and cancel, they offer you deals all the time. So let me show you what I'm saying. So you're gonna open up Adobe Creative Cloud. You're gonna go to your Adobe account, and what you wanna do is go to Manage Plan, and right there, right off the bat, they already offer you a deal. But we can do better than that. So you're gonna go down to cancel your plan. It's gonna have you sign in. Usually there are a few steps to this. If it asks you to like complete the process, you've probably gone too far or done something wrong. So just know going in, you don't have to completely cancel your plan. So for me, every time it takes me through a couple step process before I cancel. It shows you what you're losing so they can draw you back in. And then at the very end, it gives you multiple deals. So for me, I've gotten different deals every time I've done this. Right now, there's 2 deals on there, one of which I've already taken. So basically, one is you pay $0 for the next 2 months, and I have done that like so many times to where I basically paid $0 for like probably 6 months to a year of using Adobe. So sometimes I forget to go in and try and do this, but every time I cancel, I've been offered a deal where I either pay $0 for a few months, or I pay like half the cost for the same amount of time. So where I was paying $60 a month for my Adobe subscription, I tried to cancel, I got a deal, and then I was paying $30 a month, which is so much better. That's pretty doable for most people who are using this. But then I went back in after I accepted that deal, just because I was working on getting a screen grab to show you guys for this video, and it offered me the $0 for 2 months deal. So basically the first time they charged my account $60, I went in and accepted the $30 a month deal. So they credited me $60, I think or maybe $30, and then like kept $30, something like that. And then now, because I accepted the $0 a month for 2 months deal, they credited me back the other $30 that they charged me. And then after 2 months, they're probably going to try and charge me again. I'm not sure if it'll go back up to $30 a month or all the way up to $60 a month, but I'll just go back in, try and find another deal, which is usually either $0 for 2 months or $30 a month. Either way, I'm paying a lot less than I would be. Even the deal that they have on there to begin with, which is like $480 or something like that for the year, is still more money per month than the $30 a month deal. I'm pretty sure. If I did the math wrong, don't kill me. You know, you can do the math, you can figure it out for yourself, but I'm pretty sure $0 for 2 months is a good deal, and I'm pretty sure $30 a month is not a bad deal either. So I don't know if this will work for you. It worked for me. If it doesn't pop up, don't blame me. I'm not saying it works for everybody, but I will say I've done this multiple times, at least 4 times, where I've gotten better deals and had to pay either nothing or half of what I was supposed to pay. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this saves you a lot of money. I'm trying to make more and more helpful videos for you guys. So if you have any questions, or you want me to show you any part of my working process, or what I use or how I use it in my work, let me know and I'll try and make a video about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.